Morning sickness. Nothing can burst the euphoria of discovering you are pregnant faster than morning sickness. But since then, opening a refrigerator has become an occupational hazard. Morning sickness is also known as nausea vomiting of pregnancy. It is a common symptom of early pregnancy. Nausea or vomiting can happen at any time of the day. But for some women, it is worse in the morning. In many cases, it goes away by the end of the first 3 months. So, although it is an unpleasant experience, for most pregnant women, it has no health risk for the baby and is a normal part of pregnancy. In fact, it is associated with a decreased risk of miscarriage, low birth weight, and perinatal death. However, if the symptoms of nausea or vomiting are so severe that you cannot eat anything, call your doctor or healthcare provider. So, what causes nausea? Experts don't know for sure what causes it, but the most accepted theory is that it's probably caused by some combination of the hormonal changes taking place in your body. 3 hormones are suspected to play bigger roles in inducing nausea. They are human chorionic gonadotropin, also called HCG, progesterone, and estrogen, the female sex hormone. All of these hormones increase rapidly during early pregnancy, and although no one knows how they contribute to nausea and vomiting, they are the prime suspect. So, how to deal with the symptoms? Here are some suggestions from obstetricians and midwives that may alleviate nausea. Firstly, eat small, frequent meals throughout the day rather than the traditional breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Nausea is often worse on an empty stomach, so take healthy snacks such as fruit and crackers when needed. Have frequent small drinks between meals rather than drinking a large amount in one go, since dehydration is one of the most serious consequences of vomiting. Try a variety of fluids such as water, fruit juice, lemonade, and clear soups. Eat some crackers before going to bed, as well as before getting up in the morning. Finally, traditionally, ginger has helped many women quell nausea or vomiting. Grate some fresh ginger into hot water to make ginger tea. But just as every woman is unique, so is every pregnancy. There is not a one-size-fits-all remedy. What you should do to alleviate nausea is to avoid triggers and find out what your body wants. After all, you are the only person who knows the answer to this.